Hello everyone. How is everyone doing? Yes. Okay. I'm just coming here to say how has been our progress so far. Actually, start to work. I joined the project just a few days ago. Astro has been the main dev for now. I'm started just working on the wallet connection and signing with your wallets. Um, yeah, by the way, my English is not that well. The communication guy is Missile, so we let him do the communication stuff. But so I'm just going to show the progress with the developing. I'm thinking about sharing part of this work because I I think many projects uh, could use this signing. It's a really interesting thing we can do with blockchain. So first we use a blockchain app. We need to connect with our wallet. There was other ways to connect other wallets, but first we are just implementing MetaMask. So here I'm gonna use test accounts. I don't want everyone seeing my account. So here I allow the MetaMask to connect to the front end website. So like the backend knows nothing about this, and because we know like people can lie, they can change this, like if like any geeky person knows they can change this stuff or anything, and they could lie to other players about their owning an NFT or something. So let's just me change here to reset. Let's go to terminate, go back to Polygon. So we need to do some security stuff. I don't know if I should go that deep on that, but let me show how it works. First, we have to prove ourselves to the other players and to the server that that address is really ours, because I could just send any address to them and say, oh, this is my address. How I will prove that? The blockchain works similar to PGP. I don't know if everyone knows. PGP is called pretty good privacy. There's someone who signs, like the owner of those who own the tokens, who owns the key, the private key. They can like send transactions and they can sign, and everyone only shows the public keys to where people send us our money. Our address is our public key. So like the website will send some. I can go here, sign session, and this, like, we have complete authority here, because this when we sign here, they can check with our public keys if this is valid, this message is valid. But if I click sign here, let me show what happens here. The server sent me this session ID, and I signed the session ID, and they said this was my address, and I got this one here. They confirmed that that was me, so I was signed. Should I show what would happen if I try to tamper it? Yeah, maybe. I don't know if how easy that could be. Let me do one thing. No, I'm doing the other way. I'm just gonna show you what happens if I try to temper it. Here's where the session ID, here sign, blah blah blah. So let's say I'm a different address. Let's say, oh, need tech lead address. So yeah, why not? Let's see if we find tech lead address. Oh no, wait. Let's just forget it. Let's just put a different address. I will change this a little. Because there's many stuff public there. I'm not gonna show this now. Here, I'm gonna change this. I'm just gonna put a different address. Let's put a C here. Yeah, I changed it enough, right? So now, oh, I need to log out. I want to connect the wallet, everything. So my real address is this one, but I'm gonna send to the server a different address. Should try to, maybe I could put an address of someone who has many good NFTs. Let's see what will happen. So let me reload this again so I can show you some cool stuff. Here, sign session and login. Oh, maybe it will not even work. They do something wrong. My address is invalid. It didn't even pass the checksum. What? Okay, this is better than I expected. It didn't even pass the checksum. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, and this is taking already too long. Let me take this address. HL address I'm going to be using. Yeah. Switch. What? Oh no. Dismiss. Okay. I'm gonna, because I know this address is valid, it will work. Okay. So okay, let me go back to the original address we were trying to use. That's this one. So let's see what will happen. So just need leaving a refresh here. Okay, I'm gonna sign this account I'm currently using. It's not open. See, this is why you don't want to spoil. But I have checked before. It should not work if you try to spoil it. I'm not sure why it's. But anyway. Yeah, you saw, but if I try to send the wrong address, it would just fail. The signing session would not work. It just didn't. I couldn't simulate it here, just because I'm recording. Because if I was not recording, I would make it work. So yeah, it's connected here and whatever. So if I want to disconnect, I disconnect from the backend, and I can go here. If I want to connect another wallet, I need just to, yeah, I can't disconnect from here. I don't know if I tried already said in this live. There is no way, no functions, no methods in MetaMask that allows me to disconnect from completely disconnect from MetaMask from here. The only way you can do this is going to your wallet and clicking here and disconnect account. This is the only way. So yeah, I think I explained many good stuff, just so people know what we are doing and our progress. And maybe you see my interface is not is in dark mode. I recommend this. I use this dark reader, like light day and with the dark mode. So yeah, I think this went a little longer than I expected. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Pass the good word and let's go to the moon. Don't miss Miss Saul's streaming today.